This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Craig Williams. Move-in ready home, must-see in the community Riverbend West. This is a beautiful well-kept home that has 1,525 square feet with tall ceilings and an open floor plan. The layout consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with lots of natural lighting throughout. There is a large family room overlooking the kitchen and dining room. This home has an inside laundry room and the community offers a large pool, playground, and tennis courts. This beauty will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Williams at 813-340-0956.